Basic anatomy, body structure. Basic anatomy teaches students to recognize various parts of the human body from the macroscopic level, which can be seen directly, to the microscopic, which requires tools such as a microscope. The main focus includes overall body, head, neck, trunk, upper extremities and lower extremities. Axes and planes of the body, longitudinal, transverse, and sagittal axes are important for understanding the position of body structures. Body structure in basic anatomy as follows. The structure of the human body is studied from basic to complex levels, covering the overall physical composition of the body, the relationship between body parts, and body orientation. Here is a detailed explanation. 1. Division of the human body. The human body is generally divided into several large parts. 1. Head contains the brain, eyes, nose, mouth, and ears. Protects the brain with the skull structure, cranium. 2. Neck connects the head to the body. Contains the trachea, esophagus, major blood vessels, carotid arteries and jugular veins, and small muscles for head movement. 3. Thorax, chest, contains vital organs such as the heart and lungs, protected by the ribs. Has a diaphragm as a divider between the chest and abdominal cavities. 4. Abdomen, stomach, contains digestive organs such as the stomach, intestines, liver, pancreas, and kidneys. 5. Pelvis contains reproductive organs and the final part of the digestive system, rectum. Protected by the pelvic bone. 6. Upper limbs consists of the shoulders, upper arms, lower arms, wrists, and hands. Plays a role in movement and manipulation of objects. 7. Lower limbs consists of the thighs, knees, calves, ankles, and feet. Supports the weight of the body and allows movements such as walking and running. 2. Body axes and planes. It is important to understand body orientation in anatomy. 1. Body axis, longitudinal axis. Runs from head to toe. Transverse axis. Runs from left to right side of the body. Sagittal axis. Runs from front to back of the body. 2. Body planes. Sagittal plane. Divides the body into left and right halves. Frontal, coronal, plane. Divides the body into front, anterior, and back, posterior. Transverse, horizontal, plane. Divides the body into upper, superior, and lower, inferior, halves. 3. Skeletal framework. The structure of the human body is supported by a skeleton made up of bones. 1. Axial skeleton. Consists of the skull, spine, vertebrae, ribs, and sternum. Functions to protect vital organs such as the brain, heart, and lungs. 2. Appendicular skeleton. Consists of the upper and lower limb bones, including the pelvic bones. Supports body movement. 4. Body organization based on levels. Body structure is studied based on the following hierarchical levels. 1. Chemical level. Molecules such as proteins, fats, carbohydrates, and DNA form the basis of life. 2. Cellular level. Cells are the basic units of life. Examples: red blood cells, muscle cells, nerve cells. 3. Tissue level. A collection of cells that have similar functions form tissue. Examples: muscle tissue, connective tissue. 4. Organ level. Organs consist of several types of tissues that work together. Examples: heart, lungs. 5. System level. Organ systems work together for specific body functions. Example: digestive system, nervous system. 6. Organism level. All organ systems work together to form the human body as a whole. 5. Relationships between parts, anatomical relations. Anatomical relations. Each organ and body system has a positional relationship. For example, the heart is anterior to the spine but posterior to the sternum. The kidneys are located posterior to the abdominal cavity, close to the back wall. Functional relations. All parts of the body work synergistically. For example, the lungs provide oxygen to the blood, and the heart pumps it throughout the body. The structure of the human body is the basis for understanding anatomy and is essential for clinical applications such as diagnosis, surgery, and treatment.